Let's take a look at creating, saving and applying a preset. System Engineer 8 provides a comprehensive set of tools for managing your presets on your computer and linear research devices. The first thing we want to do is head over to the preset workflow. This is what Se8 looks like when we haven't created any preset libraries on our PC. So let's click here to create a new library. Here's our new library here. If we already had preset libraries on our PC, we can create a new preset library by clicking this button here. So let's name this new preset library. Now let's create a folder for this preset library. If we navigate to the preset menu bar, we can click on Create New Folder. Now let's name this folder. So now we have our preset library and a folder within the preset library. We can start to create our preset. I'm going to create a two-way preset. So from this drop-down menu here, I'm going to select two-way. Then I'm going to create a blank preset. Now let's name this preset. So there we have it. A new preset library, a preset folder within the library, and then our actual preset within that folder. Clicking on a preset will populate the preset preview. The preset preview is a powerful tool that allows you to view, create and edit presets offline in the preset library. We've got a preset toolbar at the top here. We've got the preset preview graphs. Currently we're on EQ. Here's the crossover preview. We've got a channel strip here on the left. Here in the toolbar we've got our input and output navigation. Currently we're on our input. We can create an input EQ if we need to. And we can also navigate to our outputs. So here's output 1. I want this to be for our high end. So from this drop down menu here, I'm going to choose high. And for output 2, I want that to be our mids. So we can now start to add the parameters we need. So I'm just adding some EQ. I'm now going to go over to the crossover. Just adding some random crossover. If we head over to our input, we can see the sum of our crossover here, and we can also adjust it from here as well. On the output crossover, we can not only affect the crossover, but we can actually add our protection here as well. So we've got the choice of the virtual crossover limiter or the VX limiter. We've got a thermal limiter or the Tmax, and we've got an excursion limiter or Xmax. Clicking all will show us our input and output channel strips. From here, we can affect our delay, our gain, we can mute our channels, and we can also affect polarity. Once you're happy with your preset, click Save. Now let's look at how we can populate our physical device with our presets. I'm just going to create a few presets in this folder. What I'll do now is convert this folder into a device folder by clicking this button here. This is now showing us our presets within the 50 slots that our devices have. From here we can edit the device memory by clicking this button here. And now I can move these presets around. This is useful if you want slots 1 to 10 to be speaker 1, 11 to 20 to be speaker 2, 21 to 30 to be speaker 3, and so on. Once you're happy with your changes, click Save Changes. We can now apply these presets to our physical device. So what you want to do is select the device that you want to apply the presets to, and then click Load to Selected Devices. Our presets are now on our physical device. We can actually work the other way around here as well. If we want to take presets from our physical device and populate a folder, we can create a new folder, select the folder, select the amplifier we want to take the devices from, and save devices to memory. And here we have our presets. We can also apply single presets to DSPs. We can do this by dragging and dropping. And we can also work the other way around as well. So if we've already tuned a DSP, we can pick it up from here and drag it into our folder. If you want to apply the same preset to two DSPs, we can click, hold Control, click again, and we can click Load to Selected Modules. So we're putting Speaker 1 preset into No Name DSP and Right High Mid DSP. On our website we also offer branded preset libraries too. You can download these from our loudspeaker presets page. To open a new preset library you've just downloaded, you can click Open Preset Library and then select the preset library you want to apply. If you want to export a library, we can click on Export Preset Library to File and save that library in a destination of your choice.